Good morning, good morning, good morning guys, good morning, good morning. Good morning guys, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday. Our lunch for today is, siyempre, walang kamatayan ng watermelon. Meron tayong fresh melon juice. We have some fruits here, banana, orange, apple, fresh bread. Meron tayong munggo soup, white rice, onion dishes, chicken biryani rice, vegetable, chicken ng tinolang ng manok, grilled chicken breast, roast vegetable mix, french fries, adobong beef, grilled beef with green beans, stir fry noodle, and this is our salad for today, Friday. Ayan guys, ang ating salad ngayong Friday for lunchtime. Yan po ang ating salad ngayong Friday for lunchtime guys. Okay guys, ayan po ang ating lunch for today, Friday guys. Ayan po ang ating lunch for today, Friday. Ayan guys. Yan po ang ating lunch for today, Friday. Wala pa tayong tao. Advance tayong 30 minutes sa mga kliyente natin. Yan, kasama ko nagluluto yan. Ayan po ang ating dessert for today. Friday lunchtime. Okay guys, yan na muna po ang ating lunch for today guys. Today is Friday, kain na po tayo. Kain na po tayo guys. Sarap yan, may tanglad yan. Ayun o, may tanglad. Malasang malasa po yan. Ayan. Guys, ang ating lunch for today. Today is Friday guys. Ayan po ang ating salad for today guys. Today is Friday. Ayan. Dumating na ang ating prutas. Bagong hugas, bagong dating. Ang ating prutas. Ayan, i-arrange na. I-arrange na yung ating prutas, guys. Yan. Banana, pears. Yan. Ha? Pears? Mga peach, yan. Yes. We have more banana also. Coming. Say hi. Hi.
Bye.
Na, hi. Na.
Hi.
Hi. Tawag. Yan. Shout out. Shout out.
Shout out.
Yes, shout out. Yes. Yes, yan guys. Na-arrange na yung prutas natin. Yan. Yan, bagong hugas yan. Yan, yan. Yan guys. Yan. Yan. Okay, next banana.
Yes.
Okay, next na ang banana. Next banana guys. Parating na ang ating banana guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, bagong gising. Ang good morning, ang day off niya. Day off niya ngayon, bagong gising. Good morning, good morning. Okay guys, bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye muna po. Bye-bye.